Okay, and the last concept that we looked at is what is a segment of a circle? So this green portion is considered a segment of the circle. Basically, it's the region that's bounded by the chord BC and the arc BC. So it's just that green portion. And we need to know how to find the area of a segment. So that makes us rely on knowledge that we just talked about. So let me highlight the sector. So we just talked about how do we find the area of a sector, and so we do know how to find the area of a sector. So let's do that. So this sector looks like it's 90 degrees, so that's going to be a fourth, but if you didn't just know that, that's 90 out of 360 of, remember, is times, and then we're finding a portion of the area. So remember, we've got to use pi r squared. So that's 1/4 times pi times 8 squared, which is 1/4 times 64 pi. And that will actually reduce to 16 pi. Now, we don't want the whole blue portion. I just drew those lines in to help us remember that we know how to find the area of a sector. Now what we need to do is, if I can get my eraser to work, we are going to subtract the triangle, because all we want is the area of that green portion. So we're just subtracting that triangle. So we know how to find the area of a triangle. And that's 1/2 base times height. And you can tell the base and the height on this triangle really quite easily because it's the radius. So the base is 8 and the height is 8. So this is 1/2 times 64, which is 32. Now this is area, remember? So we would label this as centimeters squared. This is our exact answer. I think most of your book problems you'll have to round to the nearest hundredth, but you can just plug that into your calculator to get an answer to the nearest hundredth. Hope you guys are having a great weekend.